Dear founders of Onpassive, I have been traveling these days, and along the way, I've noticed a lot of beautiful colors in nature. There were various shades of green, yellow, orange, brown, red, gray. It reminded me of us, founders. Although we are all different, we come from different parts of the world and different cultures, we have different views on life. Yet we are united under one umbrella of different colors, but with the same goal, to raise humanity to a higher level and spread the love by helping those in need. So let's forget all those differences and thank the man who holds that umbrella of united Onpassive colors above us, Mr. Ashmafare. Blessings to all. Renata from Croatia.